A lot of small scale companies are looking for a manufacturing ERP solution, but choosing the right one isn't an easy task in itself. While a lot of solutions provide enterprise grade features, the cost ultimately becomes a lot of deciding factor. In this particular video, we are going to explore that for a medium scale business ranging to 5 lakh rupees, which software solution will work out best for us. We are comparing Odoo, we are comparing Business One, and we are going to compare Microsoft Dynamics in today's video to see which particular ERP system is going to fit into our 5 lakh budget if that is the case. We are going to compare enterprise ERP capabilities of these three solutions to arrive at our verdict. We understand that the different manufacturers who are slowly growing are looking for efficient systems and not an extension of their spreadsheets which they are currently using, because for a simple reason, no inventory mismatch can be tolerated as you scale up. Production delays and quality issues are only going to become hamper and of course drive customer dissatisfaction. And most importantly, they want to ensure that there is no or there is this lack of zero visibility with respect to their systems. In the ERP systems that they are looking for, they should ensure that manufacturing ERP MRP module is coupled with the planning module, purchase, inventory, quality control, and also the maintenance module as well to cover the complete cycle. The major contenders that we are looking forward to are Odoo, SAP Business One, and Microsoft Dynamics. Odoo is a modular ERP structure which has a rapid deployment capability and a lot of customization flexibility. SAP Business One comes from the lineage of SAP, but it is primarily built for SAP. It is robust, but higher licensing and implementation overheads add up. Microsoft Dynamics is also a comprehensive ERP suite. It has integration with other Microsoft products as well, but requires significant investment. When you limit your budget to 5 lakhs, you want to see what can we actually buy. The biggest differentiator here is that the Odoo is probably the only solution here in these three solutions that can actually implement a micro or manufacturing solution in this particular budget. It is ideally suited for a company with a 50 crore to 200 crore manufacturer and can go live on all modules. If I look and compare the three different softwares with respect to modules, we would see that Odoo comprises of all the solutions for these modules. SAP Business One has certain limitations with respect to quality and maintenance, and effectively it becomes the only platform which can cover the wide range of the modules that we want to cover. If we look at the implementation complexity of the different softwares, you would see that Odoo is the fastest of them all. Within 2 to 3 months, you will be up and running, along with additional customization if you are looking for. The flexibility to customize as per your need is the maximum available in Odoo, while it becomes moderate to complex as we move towards SAP to Microsoft Dynamics. Odoo is also by far the most user-friendly solution and is strongly available with respect to Indian environment. If I look at the return on investment on different applications, we'll see that Odoo has user-based pricing. So whatever you deploy number of users, you will see get a return on investment between 12 to 18 months. While SAP B1 has lighter licensing cost, so the budget already crosses your initial 5 lakh immediate. The flexibility also at lower price points is quite limited. If we look at Microsoft Dynamics, it has pricing which is definitely higher than Odoo here, sure, and also the implementation effort is quite high. With respect to growth, as we go along, Odoo again is an excellent fit. You can start with a single plant or a single location, extend to multiple companies, multiple locations, multiple plants, and of course, multiple portfolios of business as well in one single platform. SAP is probably too much for a single plant system, and only when the multi-plant enterprise system comes into picture, then SAP Business One and MS Dynamics probably the makes most sense. Odoo has a naturally organic scaling capability. You can add more modules, user plans, locations, etc. as you go along. For these mid-size manufacturing, the low-cost implementation ensures flexibility, faster implementation time, and most importantly, ability to maintain their cash flow. In this respect, Odoo delivers on all three aspects. It is within the specific budget. It is going to be implemented in a faster cycle, and most importantly, it can be customized as per your requirements. Finally, we conclude that Odoo possibly is the best solution throughout hands-on. With respect to the budget, it completely falls under the line, and in fact SAP and MS Dynamics will not fit in at all. Most importantly, it is also ensuring faster deployment timings and scalability as we go along. In conclusion, the small and medium scale companies with a limited set budget of around 5 lakh rupees, the idea is not to look for an expensive ERP systems with mega features. You also need to see what is the best fit for you, what is the right fit for you, and this is where Odoo lands up and provides you the best one. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.